All right, everyone, this is the second step for SPs to set up your Workday so that you can receive your parking reimbursement. Important, right? This is so that the money can come to you. First step on Workday was to set up your expense payment election. That was in the other video. Here in this video is the second step, which is to set up your delegation. All right, all these words. What's important? You must go to Workday for Mass General Brigham first. The URL is here on the screen. You can type that entire URL out or use your phone camera to point at this QR code. This is a shortcut for the phone to just go to that URL. And once you're there, you must log in with your Mass General Brigham credentials, meaning your username or your email or your password. And the email could be mghihp.edu or .harvard edu, as long as it's the MGB credentials, and you always need those set of information. So do save those set of information. All right, this setup is a one-time setup today. So in the next couple of minutes, you're gonna do that just one time, and then you're all set. All right, so go to this website, log in, and it will bring you to your Workday. In your Workday, all you need to do is go to the top of this page under search, type out my delegations, and then select the suggested search result, which is my delegations report, and boom, you're here. And when you're here, click on Manage Delegations. You come to a screen that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. The first column that says begin date, click on that, and then click on the calendar icon if you're on a computer and select today's date. Okay, whatever date you're doing this, just select that day's date and then click on any of the blue area outside that box to get out of that box because you're done with the column 1. Column 2, end date, you don't have to do anything. Column 3, delegate, very important. Type Rena Lara. That way, we're allowing Rena to be able to submit the receipt for you and get the money reimbursed to you. But typing Rena Lara is not enough. If you're on a keyboard, press the Enter key. Must do that. That way, the system will show the Renas that are in the MGB system. You want to select our Rena Lara, not Rima Lama, even though it rhymes. Okay, once you select Rena Lara, click on the blue area outside that box to get out of that column. Next, the fourth column that says start on my behalf, we have to enter something here, important. Start on my behalf, click in that area, click in the search bar, select all, and then select the first item that comes up, that is create expense report. Check that off, and then click out of that box. Lastly, in the fifth column where it says do my task on my behalf, make sure it says none of the above. Select that option, none of the above. So now we have all the ingredients. 1, today's date. 2, the delegate must be Rena Lara. Make sure that's the correct person. And 3, start on my behalf must say create expense report. And lastly, do my task on my behalf must say none of the above. Now, scroll down to the bottom left of the screen where there is a submit button. Submit, and you are all set. All the best.